YouTube, it's me, Russ, with another Uncellophaning. This is King's X Manic Moonlight Record Store Day exclusive, actually numbered on the back right there. If you haven't heard of King's X, talk about prog rock. These guys take progressive metal, soul, funk, and mix it all up into this beautiful music. Underrated band from the 90s, King's X. If you like hard rock, would I say it's psychedelic rock? Not really. It's more funky, bluesy, soulful metal. and pull them up on your streaming machine. I challenge you. These guys are so great. This album came out. This is a 2021 reissue. This is the first time it's on vinyl, all right? So back when this album was released, 90s, CDs were king, right? And King's X, I realized, so I've already played this like 3 times, so I've uncellophaned it, or have I, right? So this album is, again, I'm a sucker for different colored vinyl. This is on orange vinyl. I was putting it back in the sleeve, right? I realized this, putting it back in the sleeve, that it's actually a fold out. So uncellophaning and seeing what the fold out is, even though I've played this record, I want to make sure I don't lose the sticker. But all right, and here we go. Yes, I've had to remove, keeping the sticker. But check this out. It folds out. Look at that. How cool is that? Doug, Jerry, and Ty. It's just a really great album. Metal Blade Records. But yeah, I had no idea until I tried to put the record back in there that it folded out with the song lyrics right there, like that. King's X, Manic Moonlight, just a great album. King's X, underrated band.